Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset your Bluehost password. So just tap on my Safari browser and just type on Google official Bluehost website and just tap to login in your account. So after you will see this page, log into your account. So here you will just type your email address and just a little bit scroll down, you will find a forget password. So just tap on it and here you will just add an email and Bluehost will verify your email and just send a new link to reset your password. And you will just tap on your Gmail on your iOS device and here you will get from Bluehost a verification of reset link password. So after find this email and just tap on it, and after you will set the new password and again refresh this page and just tap on login into your account and type your email address and type new password and you will get login. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.